Hello everyone, welcome to the first SPSS video tutorial in this particular playlist. In this video, I will show you how to download and install SPSS software on your laptop or your PC. But before I do that, I want to quickly tell you what SPSS stands for and a brief history of SPSS. SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences, and some folks also refers to it as statistical package or statistical products and service solution or statistical and presentational system software. SPSS was developed by SPSS Inc. in 1968 and it was acquired by IBM in 2009. So now SPSS is being reversed to as IBM SPSS Statistics. SPSS software is one of the most popular statistical package that can be used for data analysis, data manipulation, data generation, descriptive analysis, and inferential analysis, data visualization, and so on and so forth. So in case you are asked what SPSS stands for, you just tell them that it is statistical package for social sciences. Of course, pure scientists also use it, but the primary thing that SPSS is used for is data analysis, either secondary data or primary data, and you can make use of different statistical techniques for this particular analysis. So now let me quickly show you how to download and how to install SPSS software. So if you don't have this particular software on your system or your PC, there's nothing to worry about. I'll give you the link where you can download the software, and also I will show you the steps to install and also to authorize the software. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the description of this particular video. Once you click on the link of this video, the link will direct you to our YouTube channel. So once you are there, you just scroll down, check the description of this particular video. You will see the link. You see the link where you can download SPSS software. So once you see that particular link, just click on it. Make sure your system is connected, or your PC. Make sure you are connected to the internet. So once you click on it, it will take you to this page. You can see spss.zip. So once you get to this page, the next thing to do is to click on download. You click on download. Immediately you click on download, the software will start downloading, and of course you will see it somewhere around there. Then once the software has been downloaded, you will be notified. Next thing is to go to download, but if yours is not in download, you check your desktop or any other file which you have of course set to receive whatsoever that is downloaded on the internet. So next thing is to click on the folder. You just click on it twice, then it will take you here. You click on this too. So you have these items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 folders and 3 notepad documents. So the next thing now is to click on setup. So you click on setup, then you scroll down. Don't mind all this. You scroll down, then you see IBM Statistics 23. So you click on it twice. Once you click on it twice, the installation will begin. You can see. You click on this next. I have it on my system before, but because of this particular tutorial, I want to go through the steps again. So I'm going to select modify. If you don't have it, yours may not be this particular, or it may not show this particular notified. Just click next. Of course, if you are not in English speaking country, you may need to make adjustments here, but if you understand English language, you just need to enclose this and click on next. Do you need this for Windows screen reading software enabled for IBM statistics? In my case, I don't need it. So if you need it, just select yes. But in my case, I don't need it. So next thing is to click on next. Install this essential for Python. Yes, I need it for Python too. So I'm going to select yes. Then next. Here you have to accept. So you select I accept the terms in the license agreements. If you are interested in the terms, you can go through it. Just scroll down to see everything. Then once you select I accept the terms in the license documents, next thing is to click next. Here too, if you want to read this, the license agreements, you can also go through it, but it's not necessary. What is important is for you to select I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then you click next. So now you can see install IBM statistics. This is where the software will be installed. Immediately the installation is successful, this particular folder will be created. IBM SPSS statistics, all these folders will be created. So the next thing now is you just click on next. So now this is the final stage here. So what you need to do is to click on install, but I have this particular software on my laptop already, so I'm not going to click on install. But in your case, you must click on this. If you really need this particular software, you must click on install. So once you click on install, then the process of installation will begin. Of course, you will see the progress, so you just have to be patient, and immediately the installation is successful, you will be notified, and the next thing is just to click on finish. But in this case, I'm going to click cancel. Why? I already have this particular software on my system, so I don't need to reinstall it. Once you click on that, of course you can see finish. So once you click on this particular finish, it means that the installation wizard has been completed, or the installation process has been completed. So you just click on finish. But before you can use this particular software on your system, there's one other thing that you need to do. You need to supply the license code. To get your license code, don't forget this is the file or the folder that you must have downloaded on the internet. What you just need to do is to go back. Yes, then you just click on this back button, and if you like, you can go back again to download SPSS, then you click on the second one. But next thing now is either you click on these instructions, or you can also click on crack and serials to get the serial number. So you just click on instruction. So this is the instruction. Enter the full license code using the authorization wizard. Come down to search and you type authorization wizard. You can see IBM's SPSS statistics 2023 license authorization wizard. So you just click on this. Once you click on it, this particular window will come up. Of course, you move on with it. You select yes. So one yes is selected, then the license authorization window will open. This is it. So the next thing, if you like, you can go through the instructions or the information written here, but you don't actually need it. Just click next. So once you click on next, we have three options here. You can see select one of the following: license my products now, or enable for temporary usage. So you select license my products now. So once you select this, then you click next. So here you need to copy this license code and paste it here. So what's next is to copy this. Just highlight, you copy this, Ctrl C for copy, then you come here and paste, then Ctrl V for paste. So you paste the authorization code or the license code here. Next thing is to click on next. This is fantastic. You can see license installation status successfully processed all codes. Successfully processed all codes. So that means you have activated the SPSS software on your system. So you just click on next, then you click finish. Licensing completed. You can see licensing completed. You have successfully licensed your products. So next thing now is to click next, finish. So once you click that particular finished, it means that SPSS has been successfully installed on your computer, laptop, or PC. Thank you.